Somebody else is also joining?
I don't know. It's already 3 minutes. So we'll
Okay.
first just see this.
Sure.
I think we all know the vision board's importance. This is like we are visualizing our goals and what we want in our future. We are trying to manifest the things that we want in our future. And vision board is such a powerful tool. When we see our goals as a visual representation, it actually comes true. Last
Mm.
year, almost at the same time, in the first week of January, actually, I made my first vision board. And
Mm.
I was so surprised to see the result, and it was amazing. मतलब I received
जयराम भाई तो कह रहे हैं 1 करोड़ रुपए लेके आ रहे हो आप। हाँ हाँ 3 लाख। अच्छा जयराम भाई तो
yes. So I was telling like for me that has been a magical experience, and I would love to share it with you all. And
Please.
I hope and pray you all also get the magical experience and all your wishes come true in the next year. So first we will start by understanding our current situation. So these are 8 areas in our life: relationship, career, finances. Career and business are finances, two different things. Career is like what we are doing to grow as a person, or how we are earning money, what we are working. So that is different. Finances could be whatever bank balance or properties you are having in your names or not, or as a family. And health and fitness, personal growth, fun and recreation, spirituality, and contribution. So you are required to give yourself a number from 1 to 10. 1 is the least satisfied, 10 is the most satisfied. So just let yourself know where you are feeling at this point in your life, where you are. Yeah, hi Rupal. So here are the 8 main areas of our life, and we are giving it a score where we feel right now we are. Let's say in relationship, I have given myself 7. My relationships are good, but I would like to improve on them. Career and business, I have given 4. I have started. I'm trying new things, but it's not so great. Finances, I have given 2. I have just started earning some bucks, so I have given 2. Like that, you have to give every area of yours a score. At today, what you feel the score is. Once you are done, give me a thumbs up or put in the chat box so that I know. So now you have to pick only 3 areas out of these 8 areas where you want to improve. So for me, I have put relationship. I would like to see more growth, more goodness in my relationship. I have already good relation, but I want to improve more on that. So I have picked relationship, career, and health for myself. You can pick any 3 for yourself. This is for the next year. We are setting intention which 3 areas we want to focus on.
So any 3 we can choose, or like we need to
any 3,
choose?
whatever you
Okay.
are feeling right now are important to you. So we will ultimately be working on all, but having fewer things will help us have more focus. And now you have to see and describe what success or happiness means to you in those areas. Okay, like for relationship, I have written like for my I want to improve on my husband, but what is that improvement that I'm looking for? For me, I have written like when we are doing gratitude together, when we are playing some sport together, or when we are doing some common thing. So that is my definition of improvement in relation that I want to do. And with my kids, I have written I want to set a fixed routine for them. I have been trying, but it has not been so structured. But I would like to like have my time at the fixed time that I'm spending with them and have some things planned for them to do. So that is my thing. I would like. I would feel if I'm doing these activities with my kids or with my husband, I will feel I'm doing good. So now you have to define what is the success or happiness for you in these areas. Or in other words, you can feel like what would it take to make it 10? What you should be doing to make it 10? So only for the three areas you do this.
Shweta, I'm not seeing the picture.
Sorry?
Your screen. I'm not able to see your screen.
Yeah, I have removed that. I'll play something else.
Actually, I didn't complete it yet.
Okay. So these are the 8 areas in our life. So what you feel the right now the score is you have to give the score, and out of these 8 you can pick any 3. Okay. It's not like whatever you are feeling getting the lowest score you have to pick any 3 you pick that you want to focus on or see change in the new year. Next year, whatever change you want to see, like in my health and fitness, I want to see change. I want my strength and stamina to go up. I would like to play tennis for at least 1 hour. Now I feel tired while playing little bit only. So define yourself. What it is you want to see as a success. So for me, if I'm able to play tennis for 1 hour, that is a success for me in fitness. That is the goal I want to achieve. So I'm giving you 2 more minutes to do this. Yes, Pratibha and Astra. Are you guys able to hear the sound?
No.
Okay. Now can you hear the sound? Thank you.
Yes.
So now I would love every one of you to just settle at one place and close your eyes. Take 3 or 4 deep breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. If you are taking breathe in for 5 counts, do the breathe out for the 7 counts. Do 3 more deep breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. your hand where you feel your soul is, in between your chest, on your heart. Some may like to put on your head. Wherever you feel your soul resides, just put your hand there. Give your soul a shape, any goddess shape, any white light, or anything that you want to visualize. See your soul. One part of your soul is with you, and another part is just going through the time, going through the universe, going upward in the sky. And you are passing January, February, March, April, May, June, and you are coming the same time the next year, the December 2025. Now from the top of the sky, just look at yourself and see how happy you are. What is that you are doing? What is that you are waking up for? Just visualize the best thing for yourself, whatever you would like your mornings to be, your house to be, what kind of environment you are in, what kind of people you are having, what activities are you doing, how are you feeling throughout the day. Just visualize. Just see spending time with your husband, your kids, your family, yourself. And see how purposeful your life is feeling. See what all beautiful activities you are doing that are giving you joy, making you feel fulfilled. See the love in your relationships. See whatever dream life you were just thinking you will be living, you are supposed to live. Now you are having everything. You are feeling that. You are receiving love from God, from your kids, from your husband, from all your relationships. You are attracting abundance in your life. Now invite your soul to come back to you and feel what you are feeling and keep feeling what you have felt. Thank the universe for showing you the year ahead, what it is gonna be. Now you can slowly come back and open your eyes. Now I will give you 5 minutes to write it down, whatever you have seen, whatever were the good feelings, how you felt, what you saw, what kind of house, people you have seen, or what are your desires. Just write it down on a piece of paper. And write it with the belief that it is gonna come true. You have seen that it's going to come true. Just write with the full faith. Or whatever more you want to write, whatever more dreams and desires you wanna have, just write everything down. I hope you have written some 10, 20 things. Yes, thank you, dear. Thank you for replying. So now I would like each one of you to focus on your value words and see this year what are your value words. So it could be joy, it could be family, it could be financial growth, it could be consistency, it could be discipline, it could be freedom, it could be confidence, it could be being active, it could be wealth and abundance, it could be learning, it could be health, fitness, it could be peace, it could be joy. Now pick any 3 value words for yourself for this year, for the coming year. Type in the chat box your three value words. Pick any 3. Freedom, love, joy, family, health, fitness, being active, spirituality, wealth and abundance. It could be anything else also for you. Just put in the chat box so that I also know. Yeah. Thank you, Shalini ji. Fitness, wealth and freedom. I love them. So for me, the 3 words that I have chosen for this are family, career growth, health and fitness. Super Rupal. You have actually chosen lot many. You have to just choose 3. We want everything in our life and that is amazing. For now, just choose 3 value words for yourself. When you focus on too many things, you don't get anything. Just try to stick to like 3 or max 4 things. Amazing, Asha. Yeah, thank you, Simran. Active and fitness, I feel, are the same thing. Activeness is also a part of fitness. You can choose one more. And now make this peacock sign. And whatever words you have chosen, just write the initial. Oh, I have chosen love, joy, and service. Write down the first initial of the value words that you have chosen for yourself. Yes, you can write, okay, active. Or you can write action taker. So write down the first initial. Like I have written love, joy, and service. I wanna serve the world this year. I think every one of us has done this. Now I would love each one of you to, like, let's say in the middle, make a circle. Whatever role we are playing. Okay, let me just show you. Okay. So like that, make a circle and write role. Whatever role you are playing right now, just make a circle and like sun-like thing. Like I am a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a sister, I'm a daughter, I'm a daughter-in-law. I am a business person, I am a coach, I'm a leader, I'm a friend, I am a creative genius, I'm a learner. So like that, whatever is coming to you, just make this and put all your roles. We as a women, we are the multitasker, and we at any point in time we are playing multiple roles. We are not just wife, we are not just mothers, we are so much more than that. So whatever role, prominent role you are feeling you are leading, just write that down. Once done, just put in the chat box done so that I know. Done, Nasha. So now after you have written your role, you need to put one marker. Okay. Like what you are going to do for that role. Like for my role as a wife, what is that one thing I want to do? Let's say I have written like writing gratitude together and appreciating each other. This thing I'm gonna implement for the next year. And for mother, I have put a marker. If I'm giving playtime and activity time for each of my kid, and my elder one, he's like fond of cuddly time, and I'm giving cuddly time to him. So I will feel I have done good job. So like that for everything, just put one marker. You don't have to say 2, 3, just one marker each for one role. So like for daughter and daughter-in-law, I have written like calling twice weekly from my side to my mother-in-law or to my mother. So that is the marker I have put. You guys can turn on your videos also. I would also love to see your expressions while you are doing all these things. And I also know that you are doing it. And when I should stop and when should I talk. So if you can turn on your video, I will feel good. So yeah, this you can put in your list. You can also call me. I'll pick up your call. Yes, okay, Asa, no problem. And thank you for replying and participating. So if you are done, just let me know. Okay, you can do like the same thing in goals, or you can write goals, and for each marker, just put one thing that you are going to do. So these are your goals. I have just made two things in one. Okay, same things that we have written as a marker, you can write them as a goal. This is your goal. This is what you want to do. Or you can just be more specific. Like for my kids, I have written having 5 slots of 10-15 minutes each for Agastya for to play and doing activities. And for my elder one, I have written, because I have 2 kids, I have written 2 marker for my kid, and those are in like high priority sheet for me. And doing gratitude circle, affirmations, cuddly time with Rishit, and sometimes playing TT. This is my goal. I'm gonna do more of it. And for my work and business, I have written creating more courses and organizing them in and launching 2-3 more courses. And then for my finances or income I have put. I want to earn this much amount per month in my passive income. Okay, no problem, Simran. Just keep doing and just let me know when you are done. Yeah, you have done very good. So now make these markers as your goals. Write down the goals. Next year, what you wanna have? Let's say I wanna become active and fit. I wanna follow my morning routine more diligently. And I wanna speak on stage, training hundreds of women at a time. And building more connection with my Her Circle members. And going to Dhanalinga in Coimbatore. That is also one of my goals this year. I would love to go there and meditate in front of Dhanalinga. Okay, I think you have written something. Later you can add on all these things. Yeah, thank you, Asha. And now from out of yes. Now choose any one goal. Whatever is you have written, okay, if out of those 5 or 10 have maximum 10 goals, don't put too much, okay. 10 is the maximum number for the goals that you need to put, and out of those 10 goals just choose one thing, okay, that is most important for you. If nothing else gets fulfilled, only just this thing you can get, okay. So what is that one thing? Is it being healthy? Is it being active? Is it earning some particular number of income, particular amount of income, or serving some particular number of members in your community? So anything that is, or loving your family, being with your kids, being more calm. Just choose one of the goals that you have put, any one. And if you can tell me, you can write in the chat box also, or just write in the and make it little challenging. Okay, it should feel like a little bit of challenge. Okay, if right now you are having wonderful relationship with your kids and putting just that thing, so put that thing in your BHAG that you feel is the most important and you want to work towards it. So I'm giving 2 more minutes. Now you need to write the feeling after your that big goal comes true. Now suppose your whatever goal you have written, your big hairy audacious goal, one big goal that has come true. Now you have to write how are you feeling? Are you feeling grateful, inspired, content, joyful, abundant? responsible? How are you feeling? And describe in words, write at least a paragraph when your goal is coming true, what you are experiencing, how are you feeling, how's the journey. Are you guys done? Just let me know. Or you want some more time? Yes. Now I won't take much time. So now whatever goals we have written, you have to find the pictures of those goals. Okay, I'll tell you two ways to do that. Okay, simply one, you can make the drawing, whatever goals you have written, you can just draw them. Okay, I am very bad at drawing, but when I did this exercise, I really felt great. So like I want to manage money through the jar system. I want to speak on the stage to like hundreds of people. I want to support girl child in the education. So I'm spending good time with my husband, with my kids. This is the amount I have put in my bank account I would love to have. And this is the savers practice I am doing in the morning. So one thing is that like this, you can create your vision board. Yeah, you can visualize them. You can draw them with your hands, whatever goal you have written. Okay. Or you can find the pictures, like let's say with your husband or whatever is coming to you. So like that also I have made one. So let's say I want to visit Dhyanalinga. So I have put the picture here. I want to go to Kailash. So I want to do the prayers. I want to feel grateful for what I have. And I want to receive one more award from my financial planner community. And this is my Her Wealth Circle, and I'm training 1,000 women in my community. And this is like my family, having good time with my husband, with my kids, and I'm getting abundant. I'm like having Saraswati also, Ganeshji also in my vision board, and I'm reading. This year, I want to read a lot more books, read, learn, and share whatever I'm learning. I want to share it with people, and I'm having my community, and I'm having an event. I'm doing charity, and now I'm recording the videos, and I'm having the healthy food. So, like that, you can take out the pictures and you can make a big board, or you can, this I have just done in the Canva. You can do in the Canva or anywhere. And I would not like you to use AI. Just try to use as many your pictures as you can, because with our pictures we relate. And when we are having these visuals in our mind, every time we see our vision, those things get absorbed, and our subconscious believes those things, and we manifest whatever subconscious believes to be true. So any question you can ask me. Otherwise, we are good to go. And please turn on your video, give some heart. If you love the session, I'll take a pic. Thank you, Asha. Those who can turn on your videos, please do. Yes, Rupal, I will tell you. Thank you everyone for joining. I hope it was useful, and I would love each of us get these beautiful dreams come true and achieve whatever we are desiring. And if you are not able to do all the things, and you can finish them now, if you are not able to follow through all the activities, please complete now. Thank you, Asha.
I want to show I have made one vision board.
Yes. Yeah, nice.
I
I
will
can't
send
see
you
it
picture.
properly. You can send
Okay, I
picture.
will send you picture. Okay.
Yes, yes. And also write your value words. That is most important. And the value words gives us the clarity, and whatever you are doing, just try to find those things. Like I have written love, joy, and service. If I'm any activities up I'm doing, so I should relate with it. If I'm getting confused every time, anytime, okay, I should do it or not do it, and then align it with your values, whatever you have written. Okay. If it is aligning with your values, do it. If it is not aligning with your values, whatever you have got, then try to delegate those tasks. Yes, Rupal, you have to take any template, just type in the Canva vision board, and you will get lot many templates, and there you just replace the pictures, and you will be able to do. If you don't know the Canva, you can just take out simple, you can take the pictures of your own, or anyway you can do it. Okay, let me, or if you want more help, you can, I'll connect with you later.